welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm going to do another pick a card reading. This will be no contact, no communication and messages from your person, because you are not in communication. So what this person want to say to you, so these are messages from your person. So we will see 3 cards and also we will pull some guidance card also, and we will see some handwritten messages also from your person. So please meditate on your pile, select the pile, and you can watch my reading. If one pile is not resonating or your signs are not coming in the reading, then you can choose another pile. You can see 2 piles also. There is no problem at all. So whichever pile resonates to you, that you can follow, that you can take it. And before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are continuously supporting my channel. And for new subscribers, welcome to my channel, and please stay tuned with my readings. And whenever I get time, I will do. I am working hard on this channel to build up. So yeah, I need your constant support and motivation. And if my readings are resonated with you, please comment in the comment section. Please make a note that this is not applicable for every viewer, because this is general reading. This may resonate or may not resonate. So please take it whatever is resonating to you. You can see 2 piles also. Then you can choose my another readings also. Then if you want personal reading, please check the description box below. If you can contact me in my email ID, I'll give more details about the personal reading. That's all I have for you friends, information. So we will start with the pile number 1. We have 4 piles here. This is pile number 1, pile number 2, pile number 3, and pile number 4. Okay, so any one of the pile you can choose, the which you are connecting intuitively. And you can pause the video if you want, if you need more time. Okay, then let's see pile number 1. Whoever chose this pile number 1, we will see what are your person's messages for you. We will see. Okay, we have 3 cards here. King of Swords, Nine of Cups, and the Magician. Okay, so what your person want to say to you because of this no communication, no contact, how this person is feeling. Okay, so I can see that your person might be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, so I can see that this person feels that you are a twin flame or soulmate connection. This person definitely feels that this is a divine connection, and this your person wants to have fulfillment, and he feels that he or she feels that this is about to complete actually. So you are nearing to wish fulfillment. 9 of Cups means you are feeling that the reunion or reconciliation is very near. This person want to come towards you because King of Swords is there. That means this person is very like bold and brave. This person want to communicate. This person want to come towards you. This person want to take action. Always swords means action, but there is some conflict also in between you. But definitely this person is very loyal to you, and very much bachelor, no third party in this situation. This person is very much like a single person, and this person is waiting for you, and he's very loyal, honest. I can see that this person is very trustworthy, and he's waiting for you patiently, that things will sort out and things will happen as per your good, well-being. Things will turn into your favor. This person is patiently waiting, and this person want to take some action also. Actually, he's planning how to go ahead, how to go about this connection, how to clear these conflicts or misunderstanding. And I can also see that this person is trying to manifest you back into his life or her life. This person is having the magician energy. That means this person want to manifest you. Maybe he's doing some following some law of attraction, or he's praying God that you both should come into union, and you both should have happy times in future. So this person definitely is trying to manifest you back into his life or her life. So this person is very, very grounded. I can see some earth energy also, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, because this person is very, very stable, loyal, then trustworthy, honest. So that means very grounded energy. That means the roots are very, very strong. That means the whatever feelings this person is having towards you are very, very strong. I mean, nobody can separate you, or nobody can put anything in between you. Nobody can make any create any conflict between you. So that's what I can feel. And this person definitely want to take some action in near future. Maybe he wants to communicate, he wants to cut off all the BS, and he wants to cut all the insecurities, fear. Then you some situation came that you both did not trust each other actually. So you had some doubts about each other. So this person want to clear all the doubts, all the misunderstandings, and this person definitely want to come towards you. That's all I can see. Let's see the guidance card from Indian Tarot card. Dear angels, please give us some guidance. Whoever chose the pile number 1, please give them some guidance for this connection, and what this person feels and want to tell them. Give the person's message to them, please, and give some guidance card also. Give some guidance card. Okay, this is Temperance. Can you see the card Temperance? This is a Sagittarius energy. So that means this person want a balance between you both. Maybe you both are, maybe one is giving too much love and other one is giving less. So this is a relationship is not balanced. This connection is not balanced. So universe is also saying that there should be some balance in your connection. Maybe the happiness also, anger also, or fight also. So everything should be in balance. Then one person is giving 50%, so other person also should give 50%. That kind of a connection, that kind of balance you should have. Then there won't be any conflicts, or there won't be any future separation of this pile. So let us see what this person want to say to you. What this person want to say to you. What this person want to say to you. Our cards are falling down. Let me see what this person want to say. What this person want to say. Let me take out 3 cards. This person says, I have thought of taking a trip with you. Okay, this person is planning a trip with you. This person definitely is missing you a lot, and he or she want to take a trip with you and enjoy with you. Okay, let's see the other cards. Okay, we got 2 cards here. this distance is killing me. Maybe this person is away from you, long distance, or maybe different city, different country, different place. Okay, so this person is telling that this distance is killing me. So this person is missing you so badly that he is blaming the distance, that because of that, maybe because of corona or quarantine, so this person is not able to come towards you. Then next card is, I want to reach out but I'm afraid. So I told you already. So something happened with you, in between you both. So this person want to communicate with you, but definitely this person is afraid of you, afraid to reach out. So please be patient, and please be compassionate with this person, because this person he has true feelings for you, true love towards you. So definitely you should have some patience, and definitely you should be more compassionate towards this person. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 1. So let's move to pile number 2. Okay, pile number 2. So whoever chose this rock, this reading is for them. No communication, no contact. What your person want to tell you, what your person are feeling, what this person want to message you, or what are this person's messages for you. The cards are falling off. I don't want to take these cards because so many are there. Okay. Please give us some guidance. What this person wants to tell pile number 2. What this person want to tell pile number 2. What this person want to tell pile number 2. Okay. We got all the cards. Let me show you. The High Priestess, 6 of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles. Okay, so these 3 cards we got. Definitely I can see this is completely earth energy. I don't see anything else. This is Virgo, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Strongly I can see Virgo here. So definitely this energies are very strong, earth energies. Earth energies are always very slow moving, very like grounded, loyal, stable, trustworthy, then genuine people they are. Okay, so this person is actually is kind of deceptive. He's not telling his true feelings to you. This person definitely is having lot of love towards you, because 6 of Pentacles came. But this person is thinking in reality also. He's gathering all the money also. Maybe he's having some financial issues. Then this person is feeling that I'm stuck because of money. I'm stuck because of financial problems. Maybe he's dealing with his career, business. Maybe he's having some business also. So this person is stuck as of now. So he is feeling that is the reason he is not expressing. I definitely feel that in this pile, whoever chose pile number 2, this person didn't express his feelings, or this person or you, both of you didn't have any romantic conversations, or any love proposals. Nothing happened in this pile. Maybe you are simply flirting with each other, or being friendly. That's all I can see. Nobody proposed each other. I can definitely see here, because the High Priestess means mysterious energy, and this person sees you as a very strong, mysterious person, intellectual, intelligent person. This person feels that you are kind of a High Priestess. You are a very higher authority person. He respects you a lot. Actually, this person respects you a lot, and this person is not able to share his feelings because of the money and financial condition. This person feels that if I say fear of rejection. Actually, this person feels that if he express his feelings, you may reject. So because he doesn't have that much money to maintain you, maybe you are rich. So because of the High Priestess, I can say that you are rich, and this person feels that you are rich, and this person can't maintain you, because this person is not having that much money to maintain you. So that is the reason this person is not telling you anything, not proposing you. But the at the background, he is working hard on his money, and he wants to give his love generously with the 6 of Pentacles. He wants to give you lot of gifts, a lot of uh, material things, jewelry, money, gifts, then luxurious life. This person is very what do you say, generous person, and this person want to give you lot of love, and he wants to keep you like a queen. So that is what this person is feeling, and this person always want to have an upper hand on you. So this person is having a balance also in his hand. That means he want to maintain the balance, he want to do the donations, charity also, and he wants to have some money in savings also. That kind of a very much materialistic person this person is actually. So this person is not proposing you only because of this. He's completely into this real world, materialistic world. So this person is thinking that you may be thinking about feelings, and you may be thinking about emotions, love and all, but this person is completely into reality, how to build a house, how to give her good life, how to give her luxurious life. He is working very hard, friends. Because of Eight of Pentacles, I can definitely see that this person is working very hard, day and night he is working, and almost he is finished with his work. Now he will communicate with you. No contact, now he want to communicate, because earlier he chose his career, business, finance up on you. So he didn't choose you earlier. Maybe he didn't maybe you might have expressed your feelings, love feelings towards this person, but this person ignored you. Or this person, for some people this person might have blocked you also. Some people, for some of you, this person said, no, I don't want any relationship with you right now. I don't want to commit to anybody. I'm not free, my mind is not free, I'm busy, something like that this person might have told you. And after that your connection got disconnected, so you both are not in communication, you both are not talking. So now this person's work is finished, about to finish. This is Eight of Pentacles. It's almost he is end of the last coin that he want to gather, and this person want to acquire, and maybe he's completing his project, or he's completing his business deal, or he's completing the construction of a house or a building. So now this person will come back to you. Okay, so let us see what the guidance you people are getting from the universe. Please, angels, please give the pile number 2 some guidance. What is happening in this connection? What is happening in this connection? Please give them some guidance. Please give them some clarity. Please give them some clarity, and give the guidance card. One guidance card, please. I don't want many guidance cards, please. I want only one. Only one. Only one. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, spirits. Thank you, angels. Thank you, spirit guides. Okay, again we got High Priestess. Can you see? This is High Priestess. Even we have here also High Priestess. That means definitely this person, actually universe is saying that you should come out of this mysterious energy, or this person should come out of mysterious energy, and deceptive manner. Deceptive in the sense this person is not expressing his feelings. Definitely you both should have the heart to heart conversation. You both are very powerful and very good condition, good situation right now in your both lives. Separately, independent, individually, you both are very strong people, but this universe want to say, what universe want to tell you is you both should open up. Okay, you both should have a heart to heart conversation and reveal everything, whatever is there in your heart, or whatever is there in this person's heart. You should pour it out, and express your feelings to each other. Then only this connection will work. Okay, so let's see what messages this person is having towards you. I have thought of taking a trip with you. So okay, this came for the pile number 1 also. This person want to take a trip with you. Let's see other cards. One card flew away. I will wait for a sign from you. Okay, as I told, this person has rejected you in the past, or this person blocked you. So now this person want to know whether you are ready for this connection or not, whether you will accept them back or not. So this person is waiting for a sign from you. So maybe if you both are in connection in the social media or something, post something that you are really missing him, or you really want him back in your life. Okay, third card is I was too much in my head. I told you already. So this person is very much into his head because of the money, because of pentacles. This person was always thinking about money only, not about your love, not about your connection, not about your feelings, emotions. So now this person want to come back, and he's regretting right now. So he's telling that, oh my god, I was too much into my head. Okay friends, that's all I have for pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel friends. Then we will move on to pile number 3. Whoever chose this this object, then this reading is for them. No communication, no contact. What is your person feeling? What is your person thinking about you? Let's see what is your person feeling and thinking about you, and what messages he wants to give to you. Because no communication, no contact, what this person is thinking about you, what this person want to tell you. Okay, one card we got. What this person want to tell you, what this person want to, how this person is feeling right now, and what this person want to tell you. Okay, justice. What this person want to tell you, what this person want to say to you, what this person want to tell you. Okay, so we wanted only 3 cards, but we got 4 cards. Okay, fine. Okay, you might be dealing with Libra, you might be dealing with Leo, you might be dealing with Aries or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I can see that this is a strong connection of soulmates, and you both are dealing with your karmic partners. I feel then this person is into a very deep pain right now. This person is having a lot of problems in his life or her life. He's looking at the 3 cups fallen down, but he's not looking at the 2 cups upright standing. I can see that. So this person is very, very sad and painful situation. This person is having some depressive thoughts, anxiety. This person is into very dark energy, and I can definitely feel this person is away from you. It is long distance relationship. This person is far from you. If he want to come towards you, he need to cross the ocean and come towards you. So this person is looking at you from far, but he's having very painful thoughts, and all the memories you had, that is like poking him. So whatever the good times you had, he is regretting actually. Maybe this person might have misbehaved, or didn't give you so that much value, or didn't give you preference or a priority. So now this person is regretting. This person is looking at the cups that is fallen down. He is not very positive. He is not feeling any hope. He is not seeing any hope in this situation. Maybe this person is dealing with a karmic partner, or dealing with some divorce. Justice card is there. That means definitely this person want to have a family with you, marriage with you. But right now this person is dealing with his or her karmic partner. Maybe he's undergoing the process of divorce right now. So this person is very, very busy, upset and depressed in this situation. But I can see Wheel of Fortune is there. But I can feel that this connection needs some time. It will happen only in the divine timing. How much ever you force, how much ever you stress on the situation, I'm talking about the viewer. So viewer must be pressuring that other person that I want commitment, I want your answer. Well, tell me, you have anybody else in your life? Why you are not talking to me? That means you are roaming with somebody else. You are having relationship with somebody else. So the viewer is troubling that person a lot. That is the reason this person might have blocked you, or this person ghosted you actually, because he couldn't take so much pressure. Already he is taking so much pain in this relationship with karmic partner, and he is dealing with the money matters, then divorce process, settlement. I feel all of these in this pile. So it may resonate only with few of them, few of you, but strongly I can feel this person is definitely is dealing with some karmic situation, so maybe divorce and all, as I told already. But this person want to have a marriage with you. This is a justice, is also a marriage card, justice for your connection. So now this person strongly feels that you are his life partner, and he is working towards you. He wants to come towards you, but because of the other legalities, other formalities, this person is stuck right now. He's not able to come towards you. But this person is also waiting for the right time. Wheel of fortune is there. This wheel will definitely turn towards you. I mean, as we can see the future, definitely you are destined to be together like life partners, wife and husband. Okay, because this is soulmate card also is there, strength card is there. So both of you are holding lot of strength, waiting for each other, facing all this pain, sorrow, separation, no contact, no communication, what is happening. But you both know that you both love each other a lot, and because of that strength, or that is giving you a strength to stand alone. Okay, so you both are very strong people. I can feel that with the strength card, you both are like lions. You both are very strong people, and you both are maybe both are divorcees, or one of them are divorcee, or one maybe mother of a child. Even strength card, a single lady, I can see that maybe the feminine in this connection, maybe a mother of a child, single mom or single dad. So you both are fighting for this connection. You both are standing strong. Okay, this whoever is the viewer is waiting for this connection patiently. Like he or she knows that this connection will not go anywhere, it will come back to them, but still they are waiting patiently. They are like suppressing all their pain and suffering. They're trying to do the meditation. Some people are following law of attraction. So lot of things are happening in this connection. But definitely wheel of fortune is there, justice card is there. So definitely this connection will come into fruition, will reunion will happen. So this person is feeling that definitely this person will come back to you. He wants to come back to you, but this person is waiting for the right time. That is wheel of fortune. Wheel should turn into your favor. Then he is waiting for the divine timing to come towards you and express his feelings. But whenever this person comes to you, he will not play around, or he will not say any words that are not related. Directly he will come with a proposal, with a strong commitment, with a strong marriage proposal. Definitely this person will offer you marriage. Maybe this person will come to you with the ring, engagement ring, or he might come to you with the family. So definitely you can expect a very, very positive action from this person in near future. Let's see what guidance card you will get. Hope you get lovers card, because you love each other. Despite, I can strongly feel that you both are very powerful, very strong. And okay, Empress. We got the Empress card. That means that this person sees you as an empress, and this person want to have children. You can see closely, this Empress is pregnant. So Empress means this person feels that you are his wife or husband, and this person want to have a child with you. Definitely this person, maybe this person is not having any child as of now, no children for him. So this person want to marry you, and this person want to have children with you, want to have a long lasting relationship with you, lifetime relationship with you, as you are soulmates. That is what this person want with you. Family, then children, then marriage, engagement, everything. This person want everything from you. This person feels that you are his empress, you are his world actually. So this person want to tell you that you are his empress. That is what this person is feeling. Let's see what he want to say. I was too much in my head. Okay, this person was too much into his head earlier. So this person was too much into his head earlier. Now let's see. Let's see what other cards we can get. The cards are flying. Okay, what this person want to say to you. Okay, we got two cards. He's telling that I am ready to fight for you. So now this person is ready. Now this person is completely ready for you. He wants to fight for this connection. He want to fight for you. Maybe because maybe you both have divorce problems or children problems, child custody and all. This person is saying that I am ready to fight for you. And this person also want to say, I am starting to understand our connection. So maybe earlier he did not choose you. So I'm starting to understand our connection. Let's see one more card from your person. I have thought of taking a trip with you. Okay, this person definitely want to take a trip with you alone, single, so that this person can spend a lot of time with you alone. Then he can express his feelings and he can understand you better. Definitely this person want to take a trip with you. So these are your person's feelings right now, friends. So that's all I have for you, pile number 3. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. Hope you liked it. Then see you tomorrow with another reading. Let's move to pile number 4. Today I have taken 4 piles. Okay, pile number 4. Whoever chose this seashell, so this reading is for them. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Raphael, please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity. What pile number 4's person want to say? What are the person's messages? No communication, no contact situation. What this person want to say to my viewers? Whoever chose pile number 4, what the messages this person want to tell to my viewers who are eagerly waiting to know, whoever eagerly want to meet their person, because there is no communication here. So what this person want to say? One card flew away, which is Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands. Okay, so let's see what this person want to. Oh my god, what is this? Energy is so high for pile number 4. I can definitely see this person is can't wait. This person is into definitely a lot of rush. He want to rush towards you. That's why all the cards are falling down. All the energies are too high for pile number 4. I can definitely see that this person is missing you very badly. This no communication is killing him. So Temperance. Let me take one more card. Okay, 3 of Swords. We got the 3 cards. Actually this person is not in a very good condition right now. I can definitely see that this person is feeling heartbroken, or there is some three party situation in this connection. That is why there is no communication, no contact. But this person want to have a new beginning in this connection, new something new this person want to have, because no communication, you both are not talking to each other. This person want to run and come towards you, because Wands energy is always like a very fast moving energy. This person want to come towards you very fast. He want to communicate and want to have a new beginning in this relationship. Maybe earlier this person had a 3-party situation. Even though right now also this person is into very some karmic situation. Maybe he is married, or this person is having some karmic partner in his life. So this person want to run and come towards you. The 3-party, 3rd-party situation means it is not only like a person. It can be his money, business, career, or some legalities, legal issues. Something this person is stuck into other the 3rd party. So this person is stuck right now. He is not able to come towards you, but definitely this person want to have a new beginning in this connection. This person want to run and come to you. This person actually want balance. And I forgot to tell you, actually this person you are dealing with my maybe Sagittarius, and strongly I can see the Wands energy. That means Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and I can see Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So you both are very passionate towards each other. I can see a lot of passion passion, sexual attraction, physical attraction. Both of you can't resist each other. Both of you want to come and want to be in union with each other. You want a physical presence actually. So you both want to touch each other. You both want to have a meeting with each other. So that is very very passionate energy. I can see fire signs are very prominent here. Fire signs is meaning a lot of passion, actually lot of desire for each other. So they want to feel you, they want to touch you. So that kind of feeling, this person is right now very heartbroken because of this separation, because of this distance. So this person is definitely is into deep pain, heartbroken. You can see three swords are cutting his heart. That means this person definitely feeling very very painful situation because of the separation. He want to run towards you, and he wants to have balance with the temperance card. Temperance is Sagittarius card. This person want to have balance in this relationship. He wants to have equal mutual communication, mutual love sharing, mutual feelings, mutual affection, action. So this person want to have balance in this life, in this relationship. Maybe earlier you were giving more and that person was not showing interest, or that person was showing more and you were not responding. Something like that happened in the past. Now this person want to have the balance in this connection, balance in your life, both every area, like money, love, health, then passion, everything he wants in balance. And he want to have a new beginning in this connection. What else I can say, friends? This person is very very passionate towards you, and if this corona lockdown everything ends, he will run towards you and he will hug you. That kind of a passion he has. So definitely you both will have a very like strong reunion or reconciliation. Definitely this will happen, and your love life turn into a very passionate relationship, and this will have, you both will have a new beginning in this connection. Let us see what the guidance card angels are giving us. What the guidance card we can get, angels. Please give us some clarity. Please give us some guidance. Please give us some beautiful cards so that my viewers will be happy, and give us some clarity. Tell us the truth and give us some guidance card, please. Thank you. So we have the Sun, very very positive card. Okay, so light and shine. Definitely you will have light and shine in this relationship, and you will see the brightness of the sunlight. Even sun shows the passion, yellow and red mixed, that means passion. Even the card also came as a passion, desire and all. Very very like very very connected to your reading. Actually the sun card means lot of passion, lot of brightness, lot of happiness, then new beginnings, and everything fresh, bright. Okay, so very very positive card, friends. Your love life is going to the next level, and it is very very passionate and very nice. You will have beautiful life together, and so many romantic days in the future also I can see. Then we will see the messages from your person, handwritten messages from your person. We will see. Even these cards are also falling off. Let me see. Let me mix this way because cards are falling. Okay, one card fell out. I miss you every moment of my life. So this is what is happening. Passion means this only. So this person is missing you every point, every moment of his life. Okay, so there's so much passion, so much love towards you. Definitely this person will run and come towards you. Let's take one more card. I am starting to understand our connection. So earlier this person didn't understand what is this connection meaning, or why he is so much attracted towards you. Now this person is able to understand this connection, why this is happening. So let's take one more card. Okay, this person is writing, I acted like it wasn't a big deal. when it really was breaking my heart. So this person is not sharing his true feelings. This person is acting like he don't care about this connection. He's happy even though the separation is there, even no contact, no communication. Also, this person is acting like he's not bothered at all. But in reality, it is heartbreaking. Exactly for this card, this message came. What else I can say? Spirit guides are guiding you. Spirit guides are telling the truth. Okay. Hope you like this reading. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, friends. If your friends, any one of them in need, please share my readings in the groups also. Okay, that's all I can request you. See you all tomorrow with another reading. Till then, bye.